Hi guys, it's Michael from iCheck Plumbing, Gas and Electrical. Today we're here to show you how to get your home ready for the winter season. Winter is here and we wanted to share some very important tips on how to prepare your home for winter and ensure you're staying safe during this winter season. Today we want to discuss the importance of checking external light fittings and how to prevent a fault. During a check of your light fittings, you may notice some wear and tear like cracks and gaps. You want to make sure that there are no gaps between the fitting and the wall, and you'll also want to make sure that there are no cracks or damage to the light fitting itself. If the damage is minor, you may use some silicone to cover up any holes or gaps. If the damage is more severe, it may require replacement of the light fitting. Cracks and gaps may allow water to enter the light fitting, which can cause issues with the electrical components, which can cause problems down the line and problems in the light itself. Damage to your external light fittings may also result in water ingress, which is when water enters your home and possibly causing damage to your internal property, such as your walls and floors. This is a problem our electricians regularly encounter and can easily be avoided. We highly recommend replacing any cracked or damaged light fittings and making sure you use correct exterior and weatherproof light fittings. There are various outdoor light fittings to choose from, and our friendly team of Sparkies would be more than happy to give help where needed to ensure that you stay safe in your home this winter. Make sure to have some spare light globes handy, as this is a perfect time to replace any lights that aren't working and to check over any external power points. Make sure there are no cracks or gaps in the outdoor power points, as this could lead to further electrical faults. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and helped shed some light on maintaining electrical fittings around your home.
Don't sweat it. Search iCheck It Perth.